Hello student. Today we will see supplementary lesson number 7 Chandni by Zakir Hussain. This story is about Abu Khan who was an old man. He lived along with his pets, goats. He wanted to keep them safe but he lost them as all wanted to go to the hilltop. There they were hunted by the wolf. He bought a very innocent and cute looking goat, but its destiny had planned something very cruel. So, children, let's see the lesson. Once there lived an old man in Almora. His name was Abu Khan. He kept a few goats as a pets. He would give each of them a funny name. Abu Khan was, however, a little unlucky. Very often at night, one of the goats would break the string and go up the hills. It was so because the goats loved freedom. His goats were of the best hill breed. Goats in the hilly regions hate being tied to trees or poles. But this freedom cost them their lives. They were eaten by an old wolf who lived in the hills. One day, when all his goats had gone, Abu Khan became very sad. He decided to have no more goats as a pets. However, he changed his mind soon after. It was so because without the goats he became very lonely. Now he bought a very young goat. He thought it would stay with him much longer. He decided to love that goat so much that it would never go away. So he bought a pretty young goat. He named it Chandni. Chandni lived with Abu Khan for several years. But when it grew up, it also felt the urge of going up the hills. She ran toward them, but the rope would stop her. So she began to hit the rope round her neck. Soon she stopped eating the grass. She also stopped listening to the Abu Khan stories with interest. She became very thin and unhappy. Abu Khan did not understand her problem. At last, Chandni decided to speak to him frankly. She asked him to let her go to the hills. Now, Abu Khan understood Chandni's problem. He told Chandni the danger of the death if she went up. Chandni said that she would fight with the wolf with her horns. Abu Khan told her that it was impossible. He told her about her sister Kalua, who was the size of deer, yet she was eaten up by the wolf. Chandni still wanted to go to the hills. Abu Khan was very annoyed. He loved Chandni and wanted to save her life. So he shut her in a small hut. But he forgot to close the window. That very night, Chandni escaped through the window to the hills. Chandni reached the hills. She enjoyed her freedom. Chandni felt that it was the happiest day of her life. She played for hours on the grassy hills. She met a herd of wild goats. They asked her to join their group, but Chandni refused. She wanted to enjoy her new freedom by herself. There was a night. There was stillness all around. In that silence, Chandni heard the voice of a wolf. She was frightened. For once, she thought of going back to Abu Khan. Then she decided against it. Death in an open field is far better than life in a small hut. The wolf now stood face to face with Chandni. Chandni saw that she was very small compared to the wolf. Yet she did not lose heart. I must put up a good fight, Chandni thought. She fought because she had to retain her freedom at all cost. Success or failure was a matter of luck or a chance. Chandni fought very bravely. They fought with each other all night. But first ray of a sun saw Chandani dead. She was lying on the ground in a pool of blood. The wolf was getting ready to eat her. A group of birds had watched the fight. Most of them thought that the wolf had won. However, a wise old bird declared that Chandani was the winner. So, children, Chandani chose death better than slavery. Everyone wants to live in freedom, just like a breeze, a bird, a gypsy, and like a child. Then, how can we keep the birds and animal in a cage and locked rooms just for our needs and pleasure? One should always try, at least for their survival, till the last breath rather than just leaving it off as. Success or failure is a matter of luck or a chance. So children, this is the lesson. Hope you will understand. Thank you.